1 1/2 all-purpose flour, 3 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup sugar. Stir and combine. 1 1/4 cup of fresh milk or evaporated milk, 1 piece of egg, 3 tablespoons melted butter. Stir and combine para well incorporated yung ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Ganito na dapat yung itsura niya. I-set aside natin para umpisa na natin siyang lutuin. Then, mag-melt tayo ng butter. Or pwede kayong maglagay ng cooking oil. Then, maglalagay tayo ng 1/2 cup ng butter natin. Yung apoy is medium to low lang. Flip natin. Antayin nyo lang na yung top na is yung mag-bubble before nyo siya i-flip. Spread lang ng butter on top before kayo maglagay ng pancake syrup. Pwede kayong gumamit ng honey o pwede kayong gumamit ng pancake syrup. Ito na yung ating homemade pancakes. Sana may natutunan kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyong panahon.